Hey everyone, welcome to V-Tutorial. If you want to install Microsoft Office Professional 2024 absolutely free of cost from Microsoft official website with a valid key, then you are on the right place. Hi, my name is Mahavir. In this video, we will discuss how you can install Microsoft Office absolutely free of cost. So let us begin. Here you can see I have already installed Microsoft Office LTSS Professional Plus 2024. If you have installed any earlier version, then you need to uninstall first of all and then restart your computer. Now follow the steps which I'm going to explain in this video. But before going ahead, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, subscribe it, like the video and do comment. Let us begin to install Microsoft Office. Step 1. Create a new folder in the C drive and give the name Office 2024. Second step, go to Google and type Office Deployment Tool. Select this one and press enter and select the first option, download Office Deployment Tool from official website and download this in your computer. Once it is done, click on it, click here, click on continue and select the C folder where we have created Office 2024. OK, and file will be extracted there successfully. Now second step has been done. Now moving to the third step. So in the third step, again go to Google and type Office Customization Tool. Press enter, click on the first link and here select the architect of your computer. In my case, it is 64-bit. Then select the Office suites as per your requirement. So I'm going to download Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 volume license. I don't want Visio. I don't want projects. I do not want any additional products and leave other options as it is. Then move to the apps. Let's say I do not want to install Publisher, OneDrive. Also, I don't want Skype and I need all other apps of the Microsoft Office. Then move to the next, select the language. I'm going to select English United States, then next and leave other options as it is. Then move to the next, disable this option, move to the next, select KMS, move to next. Once you are done, click on export button and select Office Open XML format, click OK, accept the license and leave the name configuration, click on export and save this file in the folder we have created in the C drive Office 2024 and you have to save this. Now we are moving to our next step in which we will open the CMD. Click on Windows button, type CMD and make sure you open the command prompt as administrator. Click on it and type CD space and open the folder. Go to the path, copy this one, go to again command prompt and paste this one, press enter and now type setup space then slash configure space configuration .xml and then press enter. It will open the setup file and wait for some time as it will download the setup and do the installation automatically background. The time depend on the internet speed, so wait for some time and enjoy your coffee. Installation has been begin, so I am waiting for some time. Let's see how much time it will take in my case. So installation process is going on, still waiting for the completion. Finally, our Office has been installed. We got the message Microsoft Office click to run has finished. I'm going to close this one and I'm going to open add and remove as well. Now going a little bit down to see whether it has been installed or not. Yes, it has been installed once again. Now I'm going to open Excel. We can see Office LTSS has been installed. Opening the new file. Let's see new functions such as XLOOKUPs and others are available or not. Yes, these all are available, such as filter. Yes, that is also available. And go to file, account. Here Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 has been written. I don't know why, but you can see product has been activated and I'm getting all the new functions. And here I can see Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 has been installed in my system without any key. I can see all the information like product activation and product key as well. So thank you for watching. If you really like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.